Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's hairstyle is very simple and elegant front puff. It's a classic Pakistani bridal hairstyle, especially with matha patti. It looks very nice. If your matha patti is a statement piece, you really want to show it off, this is the best hairstyle, and it's only take few minutes to do it. I already done the middle parting and I'm attaching matha patti. I normally attach my matha patti with a thread, and I do use this method because I know that if my bride is dancing or moving around, or if it's a long function, which normally happens in Asian brides, I know that my matha patti is secured and it's not gonna move at all. So that's my preferred method. You can use whatever method it suits you. So after doing that, I'm gonna take front section. I always try to make sure that I put extra pins because that's very important. You have to be sure rather than sorry. So now I'm gonna take in from the middle, I'm gonna take about a rectangular section and I'm gonna attach hair padding with it. You can use any hair padding you want. I have a video as well how to make your own hair padding, but I'm using a donut mesh. I take a donut and I open it up and I use that mesh. But as you can see that I'm gonna use that mesh and I'm gonna roll it to the front side because I don't want any gap in my poof. I want it to be all solid from the front. So if you can see that, and then I'm gonna attach 2 crisscross pin on the side and make sure that this is fully secured. You don't have to be that much worried about this padding that much because it's not gonna have the weight of the dupatta. It's on the front, but I'm still taking my time and make sure it's all secure, especially when you attaching the padding. After securing the padding properly, we're gonna start backcombing the front hair. We don't need to do backcombing a lot because we already have a very solid base. Take your time with the backcombing and smooth them nicely because this is the only part gonna show up. Now we will start attaching the matha patti. I'm only attaching it with the pins because I already showed you the thread method. So I think the best thing is that if you use the thread method on the side as well, so you are extra secure. But in here I'm just showing you how to use the jura pin, U pin, and it's still very secure. You can do crisscross pin as well, and sometimes they come with the hook as well, and you can crisscross those hooks as well. So it's very depend on you how you want to do it. I prefer to use the thread method because I know it's extra secured. Now I'm gonna attach bun. You can use hair donut as well if you want the shape to be perfect. I'm not very worried at this point because this is the part I'm not concerned at all because it's gonna go under the dupatta. The only thing why I'm making it because I want the dupatta to maintain the shape. So that's why I have this padding on. I'm just gonna spread all the hair on top of it and I'm gonna place a rubber band. If you have a donut, it comes very round and very nicely. As I told you, I'm not concerned about this part at all because it's gonna be all hidden. Plus I'm gonna attaching flower on it. So when you know that you don't need to put extra effort on it because it's not gonna show. On top of that, we're gonna accessorize the way it is that it's gonna hide any imperfection we have. I finished accessorizing the bun with the flowers. You can use whatever kind of flower you like. You can attach gajra as well. You can attach any other piece, hair piece you have or your client had. Now I'm gonna start attaching the rest of the jewelry. This hairstyle is very simple. Every focus is on the jewelry, especially the matha patti is the main feature. So after attaching everything, you will see the final result and it looks very nice. If you like the hairstyle, please like, subscribe, press the bell icon for the notification of my every video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.